Hey everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. Today we're going to go over 10 passive income ideas for 2022. Make sure to watch until number 1 because this one is one of the most amazing passive income ideas I've ever seen. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so we can keep you updated with more videos. Now without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Rent out storage space on neighbor.com. Have you ever wished you had a little extra storage space? Maybe you have a few boxes of holiday decorations that you only bring out once a year. Or maybe you have a bike that you only use in the summer. Whatever the case may be, there's now an easy way to find storage space close to home. Neighbor is a new app that's revolutionizing the storage industry. It allows people to rent out extra space in their homes to people who need storage space. It's a great way to make some extra money, and it's also a great way to get to know your neighbors. Neighbor is convenient, safe, and easy to use. Simply download the app, create an account, and start renting out your storage space. You'll be able to set your own prices, schedule an appointment, and manage all your bookings directly from the app. Neighbor is changing the way people think about storage and is sure to revolutionize the industry. So if you're looking for a new way to make money, or if you're simply looking for a way to meet new people, Neighbor is the perfect solution. Number 9. Invest in stocks. Many people think that investing in stocks is only for wealthy people or those with a lot of money to spare. However, that's not necessarily true. While it's true that you can lose money if you invest in stocks, you can also make a lot of money. And one of the best things about investing in stocks is that it can provide you with passive income. That's money that you can make without having to work for it. All you need to do is find a good stock to invest in and hold on to it for a long term. Over time, the stock will likely increase in value, and you'll be able to sell it for profit. In the meantime, you'll be earning passive income from your investments. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, investing in stocks is definitely worth considering. Number 8. Create a membership site. Are you looking for a way to make some extra income? Have you considered creating a membership site? A membership site is a great way to generate passive income. You can create a site around just about any topic, and members will pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content. In addition to generating income, a membership site can also help you build a community around your interests. By providing valuable content that members can access for a monthly or annual fee, you can create a steady stream of revenue that doesn't require much ongoing work. Plus, membership sites can be a great way to build a community around a common interest or topic. Of course, creating a successful membership site takes some planning and effort. You'll need to come up with compelling content that people are willing to pay for, and you'll need to promote your site to attract new members. But if you're willing to put in the work, a membership site can be a great way to generate passive income. By creating valuable content and engaging with your members, you can create a thriving online community. If you're looking for a way to make money online, creating a membership site is a great option. With some hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Number 7. Sell physical products online. These days, it's easier than ever to sell physical products online. Whether you're selling handmade goods, vintage, finds, or new items, there are a number of platforms that can help you reach a wide audience of potential buyers. One of the most popular options is eBay, which allows you to set up your own online shop and start selling right away. You'll need to create listings for each product, complete with photos and descriptions, and set your prices. Once your shop is up and running, you can start promoting it to drive traffic and sales. Another option is to sell through an established marketplace like Amazon. This could be a great option if you're looking for exposure to a large audience, but it's important to keep in mind that you'll be competing with other sellers. Whichever route you decide to go, selling physical products online is a great way to reach a global market and earn some extra income. You can also turn it into a full-time business and generate more passive income. Number 6. Manage social media accounts for businesses. These days, nearly every business has some presence on social media. While it's great to have a way to connect with customers and promote your products or services, managing social media accounts can be a full-time job in itself. Luckily, there are a few ways to make the process easier. First, consider using a tool like Hootsuite or Sprout Social to help you keep track of all your social accounts in one place. Second, make sure to schedule regular posts in advance so you're not scrambling to come up with content at the last minute. Finally, don't forget to engage with your audience on a regular basis. After all, that's what social media is all about. By following these tips, you can take the hassle out of managing social media accounts for your business. Number 5. Start a blog and sell advertising space. If you're passionate about a particular topic, starting a blog can be a great way to share your knowledge and build an audience. And if you're looking to generate some extra income, selling advertising space on your blog is one potential option. The key to success is to find the right balance of content and ads. Too many ads will discourage readers from returning, while too little advertising won't generate enough revenue to offset the cost of running your blog. When done well, however, selling ads can be an effective way to monetize your blog and support your writing habit. So if you're ready to give it a try, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, research the going rates for advertising on similar blogs in your niche. This will give you an idea of how much you can realistically charge for an ad space. Second, reach out to companies and individuals who you think would be a good fit for your audience. They may be willing to pay more than the going rate if they believe their target market is reading your blog. Finally, don't forget to consider other ways to monetizing your blog, such as affiliate marketing or selling digital products. By diversifying your income streams, you'll be better able to have more options and more tools at your disposal. Number 4, sell digital products such as ebooks, music, or video courses. Thanks to the internet, it's now easier than ever to sell digital products such as ebooks, music, or video courses. There are a number of advantages to selling digital products. For one, there are no production or shipping costs. In addition, digital products can be delivered instantly, which means that customers can start using them right away. And because they can be delivered electronically, they can be sold to anyone in the world. Best of all, once you create a digital product, it can be sold over and over again with no additional cost. If you're interested in selling digital products, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, make sure the product is high quality and valuable to your audience. Second, choose a platform that will allow you to sell your product securely and reach as many potential customers as possible. And finally, promote your product heavily through social media, email marketing, and other channels. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to selling digital products successfully. So if you're looking for a way to generate passive income, selling digital products is a great option. Number 3, rent out your room, house, or basement on Airbnb. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, why not consider renting out your room, house, or basement on Airbnb? Airbnb is an online platform that allows people to list their homes for rental purposes. Guests can search for listings in their desired location and book accommodations for a set period of time. Hosts can set their own prices and house rules, and they have the option to accept or decline guest requests. Listings can include photos, descriptions, and reviews from previous guests. Airbnb is a great way to earn extra income, and it's also a great way to meet new people from all over the world. Whether you're renting out a spare room or an entire house, Airbnb gives you the opportunity to earn money while providing a unique and memorable experience for your guests. Number 2, sell templates on Etsy. If you're looking for a creative way to make some extra money, consider selling templates on Etsy. With a little time and effort, you can create stylish templates that can be used for a variety of purposes, from wedding invitations to business cards. And best of all, you can set your own prices and work on your own schedule. To get started, simply create an account on Etsy and start listing your templates. Be sure to include clear photos and descriptions so buyers know exactly what they're getting. You'll also want to set up a custom URL so people can easily find your shop. Once you get started, promoting your templates on social media and other online platforms will help you reach a wider audience. With a little effort, selling templates on Etsy can be a great way to make some extra cash while doing something you love. So why not give it a try today? Before we get to number 1, be sure to like and subscribe if you like what you're getting from this video. Number 1, record and sell audiobooks. Audiobooks have become increasingly popular in recent years as more and more people find that they enjoy listening to stories while they commute or do other tasks. If you are a good storyteller with a pleasant voice, you might consider recording and selling audiobooks. The process is fairly simple. First, you'll need to obtain the rights to the book from the author or publisher. Next, you'll record your narration either in professional audio or using high quality equipment at home. Finally, you'll produce the finished products and make it available for sale online. With a little effort, you can become part of the growing community of audiobook lovers. Who knows, you might even find that you have a new audience for your tales. Before we end this video, if you're serious about starting and scaling your YouTube business, we teamed up with Matt Parr to help you grow your YouTube channel and potentially make you a lot of money. This works for many types of channels like faceless or personality channels. So if you're serious and ready to get started, click the link in the description below now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.